open up these boxes that we got. We're so excited, so we're gonna do these right now. Yeah, baby. This is from Window Garden. Seeds. Seeds. I got these kind of seeds. Eggs for what? Oh, the plants. I get it. Well, you have those seeds and I have these seeds. Bean ones. Well, I got bean seeds. Cool. Pink pots. Nothing in here. 2 more pink pots. Stickers. Nothing else. There. Stickers. I got orange pots. I got pink pots. Stickers. Stickers. Oh yeah. So right now we're taking the pots out of the plastic. So we got all these pots opened. I did it. I got 3. That's 3. First we're gonna do step 1.
Step 1. Add 1 to 2 cups of warm water to pop-up fiber soil bag.
This is the pop-up fiber soil bag. This is what's gonna look like inside. All we have to do is add 1 to 2 cups of water. This is my water here. This is about 2 cups and we're gonna pour it in. Bubble in.
The next part of step 1, wait 15 minutes for fiber soil to expand.
Oh my gosh, look at it. It's popping up on the bottom. It's starting to pop up a little higher bubble. That's really tall. I didn't know it would get that high on the top. Probably gonna get higher though. Put all that in. There. It's gonna go. It's going. Do you see that bubbles? Yeah. Bubbles? Yeah. They're gonna start to fizz up to make the soil go up. Don't touch it. Looks like a brownie right now. Is it gonna go all the way up to the top? Like mine. It looks like a brownie right now. Do you see that? How it's all dry? It's lifting up down there. See it rising a little bit? Yeah. Oh, that's weird. It kind of feels like stuff from a litter box, but it actually feels nice. I like it. It feels like bullets, kind of weird. It actually does. So can you open this for me? No. Okay. For sure, Shima. Thank you. There. I'm gonna do this pink flower, which is pretty cute. So let's put it right in the middle. And a giant slug is gonna eat it. Wait, no! Oh, it's all decorated. How about we do the cute little ladybug? As you see, my pots are all decorated. Ta-da! So this one's done. This pot is actually like a story. So there's a flower and a giant slug is trying to eat it, and a tomato thinks it should get saved, but the rain saved it before the tomato ate it. And then the flowers need to get wet just like the food. And look what happened. They're all dry and now they're growing, and the flower growed, and the bee's gonna get the flower, the honey. So it's gonna grab the honey in the flower. So I think it's cute, because it is cute. I like these stickers. It says now it's time to fluff up the soil with our fingers. This is fun pot.
Direction number 2. Place inner pot into colored outer pot.
There.
Oh, other way around like Sayla's doing.
Step 2 done. My turn. We love those letters. Fuzzy does also, but she wants to go back outside again.
Fuzzy, aren't you thirsty?
Now what do we do, Mom?
Step 3. Scoop soil into planters.
Now we're gonna scoop the soil into the planters. If you don't get much, because this is a popcorn scooper, so if you don't get much, you could just do this. Because this is a popcorn scooper, so it's probably a little harder. Look what happened.
What are you doing over here?
Nothing.
You're supposed to be scooping soil over there.
We get to move food. I'm excited to do more. The next step is seeding. Can we do it now? I have zinnias, so I'm really excited to plant. I have beans. These are the zinnia seeds.
Direction number 4. For vegetables and flower seeds, spread seeds, 3 to 6 seeds, evenly spaced onto soil of each container. Then press or bury seed into soil with your finger.
I'm going to count out 6 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First, I'm going to lay the seeds on the soil. You have to space them out evenly, so that way they don't get smushed. I'm going to push them in. 1 down, 3 to go. Come on, Lana, hurry up. I want to do mine. These are what my seeds look like. 6. They're pretty big. Mine are pretty small. They look like holy beetles. Cow! They do look like beans. I said beetles. I'm gonna put 4 seeds in here and space them out evenly. It's okay, she's little. Now I'm going to push them in. Now I'm gonna cover those. I'm gonna do my outer parts now.
Finishing step 4 is to water the soil to moisten seeds and soil.
Now we're gonna water our seeds in, and I like the watering part. It's the best, because then you get to wait until they pop up and grow. It starts to grow. So now I'm gonna water my seeds in. I get a lot of my seeds in too. We're gonna move our pots back to the table because there's another step. I don't need help, Mom.
Step 5. Remove inner pot from outer pot. Fill outer pot with water to the line. Replace inner pot into outer pot.
So we're gonna remove the black pots out of the pink. And this is tricky. So right here, you see that line? We're gonna put the water all the way up to there. All the way up to there. Come on, can I see? Now it's my turn. I'm gonna go ahead. Now we're gonna put the black pots in.
Step 6. Cover planters with plastic bag. Place on windowsill where the temperature is between 65 to 75 degrees.
Now we're going to place our pots in here. Mommy, can you do it? It's too hard.
You want me to do yours too, Sayla?
Yeah,
Okay.
too hard.
So we just put them over top like that?
Can I try doing it, Mama?
Sure. Go ahead.
Whip.
Good job, Sayla. That's it. That's all you do. We finished getting the bags on the top. Step 7. When seedlings have germinated and are about 1/4 inch tall, remove the bag. Keep planter in a sunny window and be sure to keep seedlings moist.
Hey guys, thank you for watching our video today. I'm Lana and this is Sayla. Thank you to the Window Garden.